In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add metadata to a Weebly website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is log into your Weebly account. Once you're in, you'll want to enter the editor. That's where the magic happens. At the top navigation bar, you'll see a tab labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. As soon as you're in the Settings, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. Look for the option that says SEO. That's where we're heading next. Click on the SEO option, and you'll be taken to a new section where you can add some important details to enhance your site's visibility. Now, let's start with the site description. You'll see a box labeled Site Description. Here, you'll want to craft a concise and compelling description that includes relevant keywords. Aim to keep this around 250 characters. This description is crucial because it tells search engines what your site is about, so make it count. Next, you'll see a field for meta keywords. This is where you can add some relevant words or phrases that are related to your content. Be sure to separate each keyword with a comma. While the significance of meta keywords has evolved over the years, it still helps in providing context about your site. After you've entered your site description and meta keywords, it's time to save your changes. Scroll down and click the Save button at the bottom. Then, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click Publish. This way, you're making those site-wide changes live for everyone to see. Now let's move on to how to add metadata for individual pages on your website. Go ahead and click on the Pages tab in the editor. Once you're in that section, select the specific page you want to update. After selecting your page, look for the SEO settings or advanced tab associated with that page. Click on it, and you're about to customize a few more important details. First up is the page title. Enter a unique title for this page. Keep it between 50 to 60 characters, as this helps both users and search engines understand what the page is about. Next, let's add a compelling meta description. This should be around 150 to 160 characters. Think of it as a short sales pitch for that specific page. You want to entice your visitors to click through to your content. Additionally, if you want to make your page even more user-friendly, you have the option to edit the page URL. A clear and descriptive URL is not only good for SEO, but it also improves your visitors' experience. Once you've customized these settings, don't forget to click Save to keep your changes. And just like before, you'll want to publish those updates. Click Publish again in the top right corner to make all your hard work visible to the world. And there you have it. You've successfully added metadata to your Weebly website, both site-wide and for individual pages. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Your website's SEO will thank you.